Welcome to Lazada University, hub for e-commerce education. In this video, we will show you the first step to list your electronic products using one-by-one upload. In Lazada, every product is displayed on a single page, the product detail page, which has the following information: product name, images, highlights, warranty type and period, description, what's in the box, product measurements, and so on. Go to Add a Product page under Products. If you can't find your products in Lazada's catalog, you may start uploading your product using the one-by-one upload. Click on Create a New Product. Then, select the category of your product. For example, if your product is a smartphone, start with mobiles and tablets, and then click on Mobiles. Narrow it down until you find the exact categorization of your product. Once you pin it down to the deepest and most precise category, click Select. Once you select Smartphone, you will be led to the corresponding product information page for this category. Be mindful of asterisk on a particular field because that means it is mandatory, so be sure to fill it out in order for you to proceed with your product creation. Product name is the key in quickly directing customers towards finding your product. Product names should not include any special characters. Here are few examples. If you are selling a tablet, the name should be a combination of brand, model, storage capacity, and color, if product is available in different colors. If you are selling a laptop, the name should consist of brand, model, RAM memory, CPU type, screen size, and color if applicable. If it's a point-and-shoot camera, the name should consist of brand, model, megapixels, optical zoom, and color if applicable. If it's a TV, the name should consist of brand, size of the screen, screen technology or feature, color, and model. If you are offering freebies, you can indicate it by adding a plus sign and the name of free product towards the end of the actual product name. Next, type the product's brand into the brand field and find it in the drop-down list provided. If your product is not a branded product, you can select Not Specified. If the brand you would like to indicate does not appear in the drop-down, it means that this brand is not yet registered in Lazada's system. Please contact our Partner Support Center for immediate assistance. We will register the brand and come back to you as soon as it is created, so you can continue with product creation. Next, add in product model, color, and all other specifications. We highly recommend you to be thorough in providing product details. These will help your customers find your product and make an informed purchase decision. Here's a tip. Hover your mouse over the eye icon for more explanations if you are a little lost. When you're ready to go on to the next tab, click Other Details. In the Other Details tab, you can add product description, product and package measurements, and warranty information. A quick note for sellers in Malaysia: you have to fill in the GST rate, either 0 or 6%. Click on the arrow below the box to expand the product description field. First, highlights. These are the bullet point description of your product, which should emphasize its most appealing features. If your product is a smartphone, you should highlight its best and definitive features such as its operating system, display size, storage capacity, network connections, and any special or unique features that customers will find enticing. Please take note that you can input a maximum of 8 highlights. However, for your product to get approved by Lazada Quality Check Team, it needs a minimum of 3 highlights. You can indicate more information about the product's features and user benefits in the product description. This is where you can write your pitch to customers according to his or her consumer profile and requirements. It is also great to include any information on how to use the product here. You can also add extra images and promotional videos or even official brand advertisement videos and instructional videos. Remember to upload product images and videos through online hosting sites like PhotoBucket, Flickr, and even Google Drive for photos, and YouTube or Vimeo for videos. You can then insert the photos and videos using the specific links by right-clicking on the image and choose Copy Image URL. For image insertion, just click here. For video, insert the embedded link here. Last step, what's in the box? This lists down all the items that come in the original package. Customer will use this as the basis of their expectations and consequent complaints if there are missing items. For example, a smartphone product should list down a phone, a charger, a headphone, and a user manual in what's in the box. Next, expand the measurements by clicking on the arrow. This is where you can indicate your product and package dimensions. Product dimensions give customers a better understanding on the size of the product. Package dimensions are necessary for calculating shipping fees. These will not appear in the product page. You should provide package height, width, and length in centimeters, and package weight in kilograms. If any package dimensions are missing, your products will not get approved by our quality check team. For warranty, choose the warranty type and validation period applicable for your product through the available drop-down menus. You can see a definition of each warranty type in the tooltip. Warranty type and period will appear at the very top of the product page. Remember, better warranty offer means a more attractive product to customers. Next tab is product pricing. Since product variation is not applicable for electronics, let's proceed to Seller SKU field. Seller SKU is an identification code for your inventory. It should have minimum of 5 characters. Price is the price before discount. Sale price is the product's discounted price. You can choose to run a promotion for a certain time and indicate the promotion's date. If you want to permanently indicate a discount for your product, you can input end date that's years ahead. As the sale date ends, selling price will automatically revert back to the price with no discount. Quantity is where you input the stock for your product. If you are not sure on the quantity, you can first put 0 for the meantime and update it later on after your product has been created. Remember, when the product has stocks, it will show as a purchasable product On the other hand, if stock quantity is 0, the product will not be purchasable, meaning it will not be visible in Lazada site at all. You are now ready to upload images. Click on the next tab, Images. If you want to save first the content and add your image later, you can click on Submit All and Finish. When you are ready to add your images, you can go to Manage Product under the Products tab. Then, find your product, click on the pen icon under Edit, and select Manage Product Images. You will land on the page to upload your images. Click on Browse and select the image you want to upload. You can upload up to 8 images in the image section.
Now you can edit the images by using the cropping tool. Click on the pencil icon. You can zoom in and out. Rotate left or right. You can move the crop position of the image as well. Click Crop.
Remember, great images are sure to boost your sales. Here are a few guidelines on how to submit good quality product photos. Make sure that your product images are in a square format, 1:1, and with at least 500 by 500 pixel dimension. In PC, you can quickly check the image dimension by right-clicking on the file and selecting Properties. Picture size will show in the Details tab. In Mac, right-click on the file and select Info tab. Picture size will show when you expand the More Info section. A pure white background is mandatory for all images. Your image should display the product prominently, at least 80% of the canvas. Clean your image from watermarks. Other logos are not allowed in your images. The product should be clean and free from dust or fingerprints. Make sure that no reflection of people or other objects is visible in your image. The product should be unboxed or unwrapped and should appear clearly sharp and in focus. On the first image, you can show several combined images of different angle views of the product. However, the front view of the product cannot be blocked. Products can be shown with other complementary products for electronic accessories as long as the highlights clearly states that the complementary products are not included in the box. Finally, one last tip. The optimal number of images should start at 3 images, including: first image should show the front of the product. The product can be slightly oriented on the side up to 45 degrees, back view, and side view. If you are selling bundled products, make sure that all the products are arranged nicely in the image. Once you have finished uploading your product images, click Submit All and Finish. Your product will enter Lazada's QC queue and will be checked before it goes live in Lazada site. If you have questions about content production on Seller Center, please do not hesitate to contact our Partner Support Center for assistance. Thank you for watching this video and happy selling!